I bought matching cars with my best friend. Okay, so I had a dream last night that it was today and we were gonna go get the car later. But before we went to go get the car, we had to try on wedding dresses.
Look hot.
I had a lot of cleavage and my butt looked nice.
Yeah.
I'm really weird, but this is not my family, so I'm not gonna be weird.
We all are family, man.
Yes. Good one. Say hi.
Yeah.
Just John Roddy down thing go big up Goodwin, respect new cars with bigger and better things.
They're having a baby.
Yeah.
Give me a little. Damn it! It keeps fogging. Say it.
What's up?
Let me see your car.
How did run me up a check? How did run me up a check? How did let me away? I did what draw me the buzz to go flare. Fat money, no soul bugs. Stomp fast, I would choose and my shoes be the latest. Pull up to the club and I'm snatching the bag.
Oh, hi, Michael.
Wait. Oh.
Like and subscribe. Popcorn chicken? Oh.
Okay, on the real. This is the new car. It's sick. Ah! Alright, for real. It's a 2015 M4. Has like all the cool stuff. It's Silverstone with Silverstone interior, carbon fiber everywhere. DCT, heads-up display, premium sound system, carbon fiber roof. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to this car. The only thing I can tell you right about now is that it's gonna be low. I'm working with a lot of companies, Broadway suspension being one of them, and we're working on something right now that's gonna be pretty cool. I bought matching cars with my best friend.
How did run me up a check? How did run me up a check? How did let me away? I did what draw me the buzz to go flare. Fat money, no soul bugs. Stomp fast, I would choose and my shoes be the latest.